Hi guys, my name is Abba and welcome back to my amazing kitchen. In today's video, we are making some delicious maple syrup and garlic glazed chicken. So come along and let's get right into it. So I've got here my chicken drumsticks which I have cleaned and patted dry, and here some spices, and I'm using mustard powder, paprika powder, garlic powder, some white pepper powder, onion powder, some chili flakes, ginger powder, black pepper powder, and some cayenne for some extra heat. Add your salt to your spices and mix it all together until they are well combined. Now add all of your spices to your chicken and make sure that every chicken is well coated with the spices. So I'm going to remove the chicken on top to make sure that the chicken beneath also gets enough spices. Now go ahead and add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil to your chicken and then massage the spices into your chicken. The oil will help the spices to stick better to your chicken. So once your chicken is well coated with the spices, you want to go ahead and cover this with some cling film and allow this to marinate for about 2 hours or overnight. So after 2 hours, your chicken should be well marinated. We are going to bake our chicken, so I have here a prepared baking sheet, and I'm also preheating my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Transfer your chicken to your baking sheet and arrange them nicely for even cooking. And now pop them into your preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until done according to your preferred doneness. So my chicken was in there for about 30 minutes and now it is done according to my preferred doneness. And look how gorgeous the chicken looks already. You can go ahead and eat it as is, but we are going to glaze this. To glaze our chicken, you are going to heat up a skillet or a frying pan and add in 3 tablespoons of some vegetable oil. I'm going to add about 5 cloves of chopped garlic. You can also do blended garlic, but I like the texture of the chopped one. You want to fry this on a medium heat until the oil is infused with that garlic flavor. Keep an eye on this because burnt garlic doesn't taste nice at all. So once your oil is well infused with your garlic, you are going to go ahead and add your maple syrup. And I just added half a cup of maple syrup. To it, I'm adding half of a lemon juice to it. Give it a quick mix and allow this to cook gently on a medium heat. I added another half cup of maple syrup, so making it 1 cup in total. You know, maple syrup is expensive, so you don't want to add too much at one go. You want to make sure that you have used just enough so you don't waste it. Continue to cook this on a medium heat, stirring constantly until it becomes thick and glossy. It will become very syrupy. Then you proceed by adding your chicken and making sure that your chicken is well coated with the glaze. Alternatively, you can also pour the glaze on your chicken on your baking sheet. Pop it right back into your oven under the broiler for about 5 minutes, but I prefer to do it like this on my stove top. Once your chicken is well coated with the glaze, you want to go ahead and take them out and transfer it onto a plate. Continue with the remaining chicken until all your chicken is well glazed. And as you can see, my glaze was just enough for the amount of chicken I made, so no waste of maple syrup here. And just like that, our simple maple syrup and garlic glazed chicken is done. I'm now sprinkling it with some sesame seeds for some garnish. And that's it. Just go ahead and serve this with your French fries, your fried yam, your fried rice, your jollof, or even have this with some salad. What you can do with this chicken is endless. On this note, I hope that you are able to try this simple and easy chicken recipe. And when you do, I know you are going to enjoy it as much as we did. So, until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!